Clapperboard title: Pinterest ATM Strategy Money Bag, Step-by-Step Guide to Grow and Earn Money. What if I told you Pinterest can work like an ATM, bringing you money daily, without posting videos or showing your face? Most people think Pinterest is just for ideas and inspiration, but smart creators are using it to generate traffic, leads, and real income. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to grow on Pinterest and turn it into a money machine. First, choose a profitable niche. Don't pick random topics. Best niches: make money online, PC, fitness and weight loss, person lifting weights, fashion and lifestyle, dress, motivation and self-growth, rocket, right fingertip. Choose something people are already searching for. Create a Pinterest account focused on one niche. Use a clear username, add keywords in bio, switch to business account. Free. This helps Pinterest understand your content. Pinterest is all about pins, images. Post daily. 3 to 5 pins per day. Use vertical images, 1080 by 1920. Add strong titles like How to Earn 5,000 Rupees Per Day Online, Best Side Hustles for Students. Right finger. Use tools like Canva to create pins easily. Each pin should lead somewhere. Affiliate links: your website, blog, Instagram or YouTube. Pinterest equals free traffic. Fire. Here are 3 simple ways. Affiliate marketing: promote products and earn commission. Digital products: sell ebooks, templates, courses. Blog monetization: use ads plus affiliate links. Use trending keywords: copy viral pin ideas, don't copy. Improve, stay consistent for 30 days. Pinterest takes time, but once it grows, it explodes. Rocket start today, stay consistent, and your Pinterest can become your next ATM money bag. Subscribe for more AI and money-making content.